Hello everyone, myself Rakesh Kumar Meena, Assistant Professor in English at Government College Rajgarh. In this video lecture, I will teach you the poem Obituary written by A.K. Ramanujan. The poem Obituary has been taken from Ramanujan's second anthology Relation, published in 1971. The word obituary means a notice of death in a newspaper, including a brief biography. The poem is written on the death of poet's father. The poet explains in this poem how his father's death has affected his family and what his father has achieved in his life. He also remembers about the legacy that his father has left for his son. The tone of the poem is talkative and mock ironic. It is merely a cover to hide his grief caused by death of his father. Now I am going to explain this poem. The poet writes in this poem from line number 1st to 11. Father, when he passed on, left dust on a table of papers, left debts and daughters, a bedwetting grandson named by the toss of a coin after him, a house that leaned slowly through our growing years on a bent coconut tree in the yard. Difficult word meanings of these lines are: passed on means died, debts mean sums owed to persons, leaned means bent, growing years means maturity, yard means enclosed area adjoining a house. And the explanation of these lines: this poem opens with the information about the death of a person who may be the father of the poet or an imaginary person. When his father died, he left no legacy for his sons except dust on a table that was full of papers. Besides this, he left daughters and debts to be paid by them. He also left a sickly, bad, wetting grandson. The grandson had been named after him by the toss of a coin and not by an agreed decision by the family. Furthermore, he left behind him a decaying house that leaned on a coconut tree growing in the compound. The coconut tree itself was a leaning one and not growing straight upwards. So these lines show the culture of a typical Indian family, which is patriarchal in nature. Neither the mother of the poet nor his sisters are earning. As the poet is now the eldest male in the family, so all the duties are bestowed on him. This poem also tells us about the legacy that his father has left for his son and his sickly grandson. With this, it is the end of this video lecture. Thank you.